All right, well, we purchased this 10-quart Paula Deen air fryer quite a while back, and it has been our favorite one so far. And it works really good, and it's nice and big inside, where we're able to cook enough food for two of us in just one shot. But anyway, one day it just decided to quit, and we were about to go run out and buy a new one. But, I read that there might be a fuse or some other thing that might go bad, but I think I found out what's wrong. All right, so on the bottom of the tray, you see there's that little notch thing. Well, down here, there's a little notch where that fits into. There's a switch in there. When you push the tray in, it activates that switch. Well, I think that switch went bad. All right, so I went ahead and see, like, that little screw right there didn't come out, but all these little spots right here, there's little screws all along the bottom here. And then there's a cover over this electrical cable, and look at that. Look what Paula Deen did. See, there's a plastic piece that clamps on over this cord. Paula needs to learn how to assemble electronics better, because she crushed that wire. Anyway, I took all them screws out and I opened up. All right, so here's the little switch. All right, so see this little, when you push the drawer in, this little tab was supposed to come and push on. You can't see it very good, but there's a little thing that's supposed to be sticking out, and this is supposed to press it. Well, it's not sticking out anymore. It must be broken. So I'm gonna take these wires off. Make sure the unit's unplugged. And pretty much don't do this because I'm not a professional. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So maybe you should have a professional do it. Anyway, I'm gonna take this out, a little Phillips head screwdriver. Another thing that's probably really important is when you're taking these wires off, these little connectors, when you get it off of the switch, you need to make sure you remember which wire goes to which terminal. So I'm gonna lay this one over here. This one's not wanting to come off as easily. The little connectors didn't want to come off real easy. I found that there must be like a little notch in there, so I take my knife and I stuck in there and kind of pried up on that, and it helped it pop off. I'm gonna move this wire way over here, so I'll know that one goes on the top and this one goes on the bottom. Little switch. I bought some new switches on Amazon. They're called micro switches. Let me go get the new one. I bought this pack of 3. See, they look just like each other. So see that one, the little thing's not sticking out? This one even got that nice little click. All right, so let's see if it fits though. And it should fit right on there. All right, I'll screw that on. I bought a 3-pack because you never know. Paula Deen might break down again after a couple of years, and I'll have to fix her up. All right, so I'm just putting that screw back where it goes in there. And now I'm connecting the wires back on. Make sure we get them in the right place, like I said. Gonna get a little pressure. Get it all the way on there. Yeah, make sure the wires aren't in the way when you're putting them back together. You don't want to pinch them like Paula Deen did. See, now you can hear it. It's got that nice click. All right, I'm gonna put this all back together, put these screws on, and we'll test it out. All right, so I got it all put back together. We got it plugged in. And like with this Paula Deen Well, one thing we like too is it's ceramic coated, which is better. So normally if you have it plugged in, when you push this tray in, the power is supposed to come on right as you do that. So let's see. All right, she's alive again. Like I said before, I'm not a professional electrician or anything. I just try to fix things when I can figure it out. So, don't do what I did, because it could be dangerous. But if you like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. I fix things every now and then.